Hello, how to solve for s and y in this equation s plus y is equal to 1, sy is equal to 5. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. Then s plus y is equal to 1. Let us call this equation 1. Sy is equal to 5. Let us call this equation 2. Then from equation 1, s plus y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 minus s. Let us call this equation 3. Now from equation 2, sy is equal to 5. Then let's substitute for y. S bracket 1 minus s is equal to 5. Let's open the bracket. S multiplied by 1, this is s minus s multiplied by x. S squared is equal to 5. And this is minus s squared plus s. If you bring this to this side, it becomes minus 5 is equal to 0. Then let's divide the whole of this equation by negative 1. Negative s squared divided by negative 1, this is s squared plus s divided by negative 1, this is negative s. Negative 5 divided by negative 1, this is plus 5 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. S is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to 5. S is equal to minus bracket minus 1 bracket plus or minus square root of minus 1 square minus 4 multiplied by a is 1 multiplied by c is 5 over 2 multiplied by a is 1. S is equal to negative multiplied by negative 1. This is 1 plus or minus square root of negative 1 square, that is 1. Negative 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 5, that is negative 20 over 2 multiplied by 1, that is 2. And this is same thing as 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus negative 20, that is negative 19 over 2. S is equal to 1 plus or minus, this can be written as 19 multiplied by negative 1 over 2. And this is same thing as 1 plus or minus square root of negative 1, that is I root 19 over 2. Therefore, S1 is equal to 1 plus I root 19 over 2, and S2 is equal to 1 minus I root 19 over 2. We've gotten the value of x1 and s2. Let us solve for y1 and y2. From equation 3, y is equal to 1 minus x. Then y1 is equal to 1 minus x1 is 1 plus I root 19 over 2. And y2 is equal to 1 minus I root 19 over 2. y1 is equal to SCM here is 2, this is over 1, then 1 into 2 times 1, that is 2 minus, if you open the bracket, we have 1 minus I root 19 over 2, and here y2 is equal to 2 minus 1 plus I root 19 over 2. y2 is equal to 2 minus 1. This is 1 minus I root 19 over 2. This is the value of y2, y1, and y2 is equal to 1 plus I root 19 over 2. This is the value of y2. Therefore, our final answer are s1, y1 is equal to 1 plus I root 19 over 2, 1 minus I root 19 over 2. Then s2, y2 is equal to 1 minus I root 19 over 2, 1 plus I root 19 over 2. These are the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation s plus y is equal to 1, sy is equal to 5. Let us consider this using either s1, y1 or s2, y2. We have s plus y, this is 1 plus I root 19 over 2 plus 1 minus I root 19 over 2 must be equal to 1. Then this, we cancel this, the LCM is 2 here. We have 1 plus 1 over 2 must be equal to 1. And 1 plus 1, this is 2 divided by 2. We have 1 is equal to 1, which is true. Now let us consider this. Sy, this is 1 plus I root 19 over 2 plus 1 minus I root 19 over 2, sorry, multiply by, we have 1 plus I root 19 over 2 multiplied by 1 minus I root 19 over 2 must be equal to 5. 1 times 1, this is 1 minus 1 multiplied by I root 19, this is I root 19 plus here I root 19 minus I square multiplied by root 19 square must be equal to 5. This cancel this, this cancel this. Here we have 1 minus I square is minus 1 multiplied by this is 19 must be equal to 5. Then minus times minus 1, that is plus 1, times 19, that is plus 19. We have 1 plus 19. Now here we have 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. Over 4 must be equal to 5. Then this is 20 over 4 must be equal to 5. 4 here 1, 4 here 5. Then we have 5 is equal to 5, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.